Hi everyone, my name's Simon. Welcome to another episode of The Maserati Guy. So the car's been in this week to Autoactive Car Solutions in Artarmon. They've carried out a service B, which is the more major service for the Mercedes. That includes changing spark plugs, changing various filters, changing the brake fluid, transmission fluid, things like that. So they did a great job on that. They also carried out some work on the ABC suspension. As I think I may have mentioned, I've been having troubles with it sinking down on the front right hand side, and that's been happening when it's been left to stand for more than 5 or 6 days. It pops back normally when you raise the car up with the level switch. It will just correct itself, but if you leave it for 5 days, it will sink down. So they've carried out a flush of the fluid in the ABC, and I think that's resolved the problem, which is great. So I thought we should just take a break and explain what the ABC system is. ABC stands for Active Body Control, and it's a system that replaces the traditional springs and dampers of a car suspension with individual hydraulic actuators at each corner on each wheel. A computer in the car senses the motion of the body and sends hydraulic pressure through a series of pipes and valves to the actuators on each corner to keep the body level as the car is turning around a corner. This is obviously quite a complex system. So one of the tests that the mechanics can do is what's called the rodeo test, which is where a diagnostic computer can control the individual actuators separately and put them through a series of tests in order to flush out grit, in order to warm up the oil to a certain temperature, basically to soak test the system to see if there are any problems. So I've got some video coming up that was shot at Autoactive Car Solutions, showing the CL500 going through its rodeo paces. So you didn't have any problems with that wheel going down at all?
Here pretty much for a whole week.
Okay.
That was 3 fingers on the side, same with the
Perfect.
other side.
Yep, perfect.
So yeah, we're pretty happy with that. And then after I spoke with you,
yep,
it sat up the back until now, and it was still the same. So yeah, we're quite happy with that.
Fantastic, thank you.
I'll show you the oils.
Yeah, please do, that'd be great.
Afterwards. Rodeo mode now. Goes on for about 15 minutes, so I don't know how long we want to.
Yeah, no, that's fine. That's great, thank you.
That's how we obviously road test the car beforehand,
yep,
and then we get it into a rodeo mode before.
Yep.
To warm up the oil needs to be about 80 degrees.
Yep.
Then we carry out the flush. When we carry out the flush, we have to put it on the rodeo mode as well.
Yep.
And that flushes all the fluid through.
Fantastic.
So
thanks for the demo. So I should introduce, this is Bruce from Autoactive Car Solutions. Thank you very much, Bruce, for the demonstration, and thanks for the work on the ABC. That's fantastic. Thank you. So that's the old oil out of. Yep.
So we flushed out about 10 liters of it through, and you can see the.
Yeah, you can see the residue in there. Yeah, you can. Absolutely.
and this is the new oil.
It's fresh, yeah, fantastic. Yeah, it's a big difference.
Yeah.
How frequently does it need to be changed?
Every 60,000 kilometers.
Oh, so it probably hasn't been changed.
Whether it's been changed, I don't think so, because it looked like it had the original filter in there.
Okay.
Obviously, it gets replaced every time.
Of course, this car has a wonderful feature that none of my other cars have, and that is beautiful ventilated seats, which are an absolute godsend in this horrible, sweaty, humid month of February in Sydney. Be able to just have cool air blown gently through the back of the seat is absolute luxury. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this update on the CL500. Still proving to be an incredibly enjoyable car to drive, very luxurious. Have to say it even beats the C63 for comfort. It's just like driving a boat. Very luxurious, very comfortable, incredibly quiet, a beautiful car to drive, and considering it's getting on for 16, 17 years old, it is fantastic testament to Mercedes-Benz engineering. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give the like a click. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm on Instagram at Maserati Guide 2017. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.